It's nothing perfect enough. I draw the blanks, but I'm gonna save your grain. 'Cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then we're just gonna stay, got the business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my